Namaskar, welcome to Yoga by Devidatta. Today's video is for your knees. So people suffering from the knee pain generally have weak or stiff hamstring muscles, calf muscles and the thigh muscles. So when you're working on your knees, basically you have to work on these muscles. When these muscles get stronger as well as flexible, they can take the weight of your body and thereby the knee doesn't have to take the whole weight. Of course, if you are overweight, you also have to work on to reduce your weight. So let's start. So the first practice is for your calf muscle. So if the knee pain is happening because of the stiff calf muscle, this is the practice that you should do. For this, we'll be requiring a yoga belt or a towel, which I'm using, or you can use a dupatta. You have to catch the feet, one feet, with this belt or the towel and flex it towards you. So you're flexing the toes towards you and pushing the heel away from you. Try to keep the back erect. In case you can't keep the back erect, you can take the support of the wall to keep the back erect and do the same thing. You will feel a good stretch at the calf muscle. Hold it for a few breaths and then relax. And then do it with the other leg. Repeat it for a couple of times, each time holding it for about 5 to 10 breaths. So this was the first practice wherein we were dealing with the stiffness in the calf muscle. The second practice is where we deal with the strength of the thighs muscle. Wherein you sit straight. If you want, you use the support of the hand. If you can keep the back straight without the support, well and good. Then you just push the knee towards you. You pull the knees towards you while tightening the thighs and then relax. Pull and relax. Pull and relax. If you can't do it with both the legs together, you can do it one leg at a time. Pull, hold for a few seconds and relax. Pull, hold for a few seconds and relax. So this was for the strengthening of the thigh muscles. One more practice to strengthen the thigh muscles is to lie down on your back. In this, we'll be using a pillow, a cushioning. You can use a blanket also. You keep it below your knee, in one of the knee. Keep the other leg bent if you want. Now, you have to press the back of the knee closer to the ground against that pillow and lift the heel up and pull it towards you. So this is not only good for your thighs but also good for your calf. And relax. Press, lift the heel. Hold for a few seconds and relax. Press, lift the heel up, hold for a few seconds. You will feel this getting tighter, which is strengthening it. You're making it tight and relax. 4 to 5 times with each leg. Then for the tightness in the hamstring, one of the easiest practice is to lie down. Again, use the belt or the towel. Bring the leg closer to the abdomen. Catch the feet and then straighten the leg. So this is for your hamstring. It will help you to improve the flexibility of your hamstring. If this is easier for you, you straighten the other leg and breathe. Pull the toes towards you. Keep breathing. Hold for a few breaths. Then bend the leg and relax. Repeat it with the other leg. Now, this was for the flexibility of the hamstring. Now, let's do the strengthening of the hamstring. For that, you will have to stand up. Now, the next practice is for the strengthening of the hamstring. For this, we'll be using the support of the wall just to help you balance. So, you'll be taking the support sideways and then you will just lift the leg backwards. So, you just lift the heel backward. So You lift the heel backwards up and drop the leg down. Backwards up and drop the leg down. So you're taking the leg only till the leg is parallel to the ground and down. You will feel these muscles getting stronger, the hamstrings. 8 to 10 times. And then you do it on the other side, taking the support with the other hand. So these were the simple practices to help you improve the health of your knees, to make them stronger. Actually, the knees are not getting stronger, but the muscles which support the knees are getting stronger and flexible. Try it out and do let me know how it feels. Thank you.